I'm sure you've seen videos like make $1,000 on Etsy or $10,000, 6 figures or even $1 million on Etsy. But have you ever seen someone showing you how to make $0 on Etsy? That's why I'm here. You might think this is a troll video, and don't get me wrong, it kinda is, but you're going to learn a lot if you are a beginner. I'm going to show many mistakes that you're probably making, but I'm going to be sarcastic. So do not follow the things I'm about to share in a bit, do the exact opposite. Oh, I found this guy on YouTube sharing his realistic results on Etsy. He actually makes it seem easy to make some extra cards with Etsy. He seems legit. I'm gonna do the same. I'm going to open my Etsy shop. But in this video he says to do a research before opening the shop. That. This is so boring. I'm gonna sell something I'm passionate about. What do I like that many people also like? I like dogs. People love dogs. I'm gonna make a shop selling digital products, specifically dog posters. Or I could do dropshipping. Etsy definitely won't notice me, and my customers will be very happy waiting over 2 weeks to get my cheap overpriced product. Nah, I'm gonna start a digital shop. All I have to do is just create the designs. Bring me the passive income. I'm gonna get rich in my sleep. Okay, I'm about to open my shop, but it says that I have to upload the listing to get started. I know the best way to create my first design. Since I'm not an AI expert, in this video he says to edit the image to make it seem less AI generated. Nah, it looks perfect to me. I'm not going to upscale it more to have better quality than other Etsy shops. I'm assuming this will print to A4 size. I'm gonna leave it as it is and upload it despite not knowing how customers will print it. Now that I have my design, I should probably create a mockup. All of my competitors have their designs in framed posters. And they have multiple photos and even a video showing the product. But nah, I want to stand out. I will upload my design just as it is. I don't have time for this bull. Now it's time for the title. Thanos told me to use all the characters of the title and take inspiration from my successful competitors. But I know better. A dog portrait, AI art, first design, hashtag gonna be rich soon. Done. Oh my god, how many more things do I have to fill out? Add a description. That's probably the easiest. Of course I'm going to use ChatGPT and then copy and paste what it speaks without even reading it first. And I'm not going to add the dimensions or instructions on how to print a file. Now it's time for the tags. Thanos told me to use all 13 tags and to use a research tool to find searchable keywords. He also suggests to fit as many words as possible in one tag. But what does he know? Dog, portrait, poster, cute, digital. I don't need anything else. Next is the price. Thanos says in each of his videos to have lower prices than our competitors in the start, so we can increase our chances of making some sales. But I worked so hard and it took me so long to make this design. They sell a digital file for $15. If they can have high prices, then I can too. I'm going to listen to Thanos for once and I will price mine lower than them. I will put $12. $12 for a digital poster. What could possibly go wrong? Quantity. I guess I only have one file, so I'm going to put one. Upload the file, and finally I can continue. To be honest with you, this was exhausting. I filled out all my bank details and my shop is open and ready to sell out. But enough for today. I'm not going to make a logo and a banner. I'm not going to fill out the information of my store. I'm gonna do it tomorrow, I promise. Let's see how many sales I got. It's okay, at least I got one visit to my store. Oh wait, someone sent me a message. Hello, I'm attempting to make a purchase. Could you assist me? Oh my god, it's happening. Of course, how can I help you? I'm going to make my first sale within 24 hours. Thanos did it in 3 days, and I'm a beginner, and I'm doing better than him. Oh my god, they replied. I live in the US. This might be because I'm attempting to pay with a gift card. I can't do it any other way. The system is asking for your email address for payment. I wrote to technical support, but they tell me that to pay with a gift card, I need your email address, and then I can continue. Seems legit. They also speak fluent English, which makes it more believable. Of course, here's my email. Okay, so I didn't get my first sale. Yet. I should probably make more listings. Thanos and literally every other Etsy YouTuber told me to. But it takes a lot of time. What if I don't make any sales? I would waste all of my precious time for nothing. Time is money. You know what? I'm going to leave my shop for a week, and if I don't get a sale, I will upload more listings. Let's see how much passive income I made. What? Nothing? All I got is just some visits? Okay, fine. I'm going to upload one more listing. Done. Maybe my prices are too high. Thanos told me to use daily sales to increase my chances of success. Okay, let me try it. I should probably plan all the sales for each day of the month, but this is too much work. I'm gonna try it for today to see if it works, and if it does, I'll probably think about using it more. But I don't think my prices are the problem. My problem is that I don't get many views and visits to my shop. But my SEO is great. I know what to do. I need traffic. So I'm going to make an Instagram account for my shop. And then I will post only once and quit because no one liked my post. I'm tired. I'm gonna let Etsy do its magic. It's been 1 month since I opened my Etsy shop. Please, at least one sale. Please. No way, I got one sale. Oh wait, this was from my mom's account. Etsy is not for me. Back to 9 to 5 I guess. But there's one thing left to do. Hey Thanos, I've watched all of your videos and I followed your advice exactly as you told us. Thanks for wasting my time. I didn't get any sales. Don't follow his advice. Unsubscribe. Okay, real Thanos here again. You might think that I over-exaggerated with examples, but I've seen many people making these exact same mistakes, and that's why they get nothing from Etsy. The point of this video is to realize that you're probably not working as hard as you thought. Even if you're actually working hard, creating multiple listings every day like I told you, this isn't enough. If you're making the same SEO mistakes like I showed earlier, it will not matter if you have hundreds of listings, no one is going to see them. In this case, it's better to have one quality listing with good SEO than hundreds of bad quality listings. All I'm asking from you is to learn about SEO and then make hundreds of listings. If you do have hundreds of bad listings, don't worry, you can still save them. Also, don't quit early. It will take time for you to be able to quit your 9 to 5 job and rely only on Etsy, but you need to put your foot on the gas. It's like a race. Be competitive. Who do you think is going to win? Your competitor, who is working 8 hours a day to achieve their goal, or you, who work less? But I don't have time, Thanos. Believe me, you do have time. I've seen many moms with newborns and a 9 to 5 job get successful on Etsy. If they can have time to do Etsy, then you have time to do Etsy. There are no excuses. If you're making $0 on Etsy, it's on you. Don't blame Etsy. Don't blame me or any other YouTuber. The blame is yours. Put in the effort, work smart, and you will get the results you want. Do exactly the opposite of the examples I showed you earlier, and you can watch this video next if you want to improve your Etsy shop.